Hey guys, I just had to use this phone that I'm using, normally what people normally ring me on. If anybody rings me on it, well, to come up. I say it's 10 o'clock now. So we're just taking look at. So I start my day off from yesterday Friday. I had a good night's sleep. And I thought it started a bit like it was cold and warm. Started a bit cold, bit cold and warm, but a little bit on cold side. So I thought, I don't know, what's a bit. I go out to eating up just a little bit. Then I watched a bit of something on YouTube. It's a bike there, 2 bikes there. Got 2 people in front of me, I don't know, so they're walking away from me. So, seeing those 2 bikes just then, they say they're tomorrow afternoon. They're going to just come out with me tomorrow. I'll walk down this road anyway, and I might see if it's there. And there's 2 bikes there. I'm going to knock on the door and say, "Are you getting rid of those bikes by any chance?" And if they say yeah, I'll just say, "I just want to ask you, because if you're getting rid of them or not. If they are, may I take them?" And if they say yeah, take them. So that's why I asked before taking. I don't want to steal. So I want him at least. Oh, naughty, out. Naughty. Eat a little bit of bread. Yeah, as I was saying, I'll ask him tomorrow. Nice if my mate Brandon's about, but if not, if I say, because tomorrow it's Sunday. So it's just yeah. But if my mate Brandon don't come out tomorrow anyway, there might be a chance I might leave him anyway. So so rewind a little bit. Friday night, like I said, I were at home, turned down a little bit for eating, and I was watching YouTube videos. And the videos that I was watching, stop falling then, were called Asheville. ASHVILLE. So yeah, then probably halfway through and it's falling asleep. And then I waking up and I thought, I kept on seeing something like a white light in my eyes. I woke up and realised it was a laptop. So I just turned the laptop off, set the laptop up, put laptop up floor. Then I don't know if the laptop was still on because everything was off. Like the drawers were off. And normally my laptop would turn itself off. But it didn't, it lasted on for a couple of hours. Like the drawers had been on. Now you can go up there, boy. I'm trying to get the dog to get used to the new area. I don't like this area because this is a part of area where this lad don't. Right. You know what? Boom. So I know a dog over there, then up out there, right in front of me, that dog. Yeah, so, so yeah, I was in Asheville, don't put laptop up for, there's another bike there, well I leave that, but what would have been better if people get an A4 piece of paper, fold it in half, put scrap on one side, but fold a piece of paper in half, and then get a bit of tape on it, and just put, yeah, and then if it's for scrap, just put scrap on it. Please take for free something. So that would have been better for bikes. Yeah, so then I managed to get some sleep. I woke up for about 11 o'clock. I had a phone call from the owner of the horses. So you got the key for horses? He said, yeah. I just want to get a bit of aid from my partner. I said, okay, come around in a minute. I said, you alright? He said, yeah, just got out of bed. And I went round to the owner of the horses. As I said, I just woke up. I said, why? I said, I just didn't sleep as much last night. So I thought I might get some rest, catch my sleep up. So, yeah, so I went down to horses after I get the keys, checked out horses, came down, had a bit of call with my girlfriend, Christina, then I had my dinner, and then fast forward a bit because I can't remember most of the day. Watched a couple of YouTube videos, really called my girlfriend, went out for a walk for that, and then went to horses, and then still continued for a walk around, went home, really called my girlfriend, collected a bit of scrap. I don't know, I should have uploaded that video, but some videos of scrap, but I didn't. The old metal cabinet. I asked this bloke if he wants it, but he said he didn't want it. So I collected scrap. Yeah, I'm going to make some movement backyard tomorrow on the Sunday. Is that my metal cabinet still there? I'll bring it round. Then, yeah, I haven't had a poo yet. So I let the owner did. So then, yeah, and then so I just get scrap with my brother, hang around with my brother for a bit. Brandon came up for about half an hour, but he got forced to go home by his girlfriend, so he don't come home early. I'm not coming round on Tuesday blah blah blah. And then time he went home, his girlfriend went, nah, I'm not coming up on Tuesday. So Brandy could have stopped longer.
Yes, Bob.
Right, boy. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So that way, and then got him, collected scrap, talked to Christina and Brandon and Sky for a bit, and that's it. Came down to one pub with my dad, and then I went to the next pub for another drink, and that's it. Take them for a walk, and that's it. Right, guys. Bye for now.